Hey everyone, today I'm unboxing Grovemade's Titanium Minimalist Knife. Now, I just got this in the mail, and so we're going to check that out. Let's see here. So, full disclosure, I have gotten one of Grovemade's knives before. It was a walnut version that they discontinued. And long story short, had some issues with it, but Grovemade rectified everything and ended up going with this titanium version instead. So this is full disclosure. Everyone at Grovemade is amazing. Highly recommend their products, and their customer service is awesome as well. So I'm really excited about this knife, and excited to check it out here. So Grovemade always comes with this very cool, just very basic packaging, and they always send handwritten notes just thanking you for your purchase. So some random stuff in there, invoice, and then here is their little instruction manual for caring for your knife. So pretty cool. These knives are Japanese-inspired blade, and have a really just cool, simple design. So let's check it out. All right, so we got this cool packaging, cardboard packaging with the Grovemade symbol on there, and you can actually see the knife through there. So that's the actual product underneath, kind of outlined in the packaging. So we'll open this up here. If I can do that. There we go. Okay. Very cool. So this is, again, the titanium version. If you've seen it in my other videos, I'll show you real quick. I do have the titanium keyring, also made by Grovemade. So that's why I opted to deal with this version. They have a black metal, or if I understand that correctly, and a brass version. So the titanium is solid titanium. It is very lightweight, at least that's what they say, and it does feel lightweight. It also, they have, let me see where it is. You know, somewhere they have, oh, there it is. Yeah, engraved. Oh no, that's just the, all right, so you got the Grovemade logo engraved there. And I thought somewhere they had stamped, oh yeah, there it is. All right, it's kind of hard to see. Let me see if I can get that in focus here. The titanium element symbol is stamped on there. So these are, it's extremely lightweight. Feels very light, you know, light in the hand, natural. It is corrosion resistant, and obviously being titanium, it's extremely strong. So this is it. Just unfolds. So this is, yeah, it's a solid piece of titanium. You just have these screws up here that hold the blade in place. I remember asking, I'm sorry, it's just one screw, and this holds the screw. I remember asking if this screw is going to be prone to come loose at all, their customer service team, and they said it shouldn't, but if it does, you can obviously just tighten it. On my previous knife, I didn't have issues with that, but that is the only thing I could foresee being an issue with this. But yeah, it's very, very cool design. Very happy with how this is looking. The blade comes out really easily, and again, on the older walnut knife I had, the walnut was glued onto a metal part of this body, so there was multiple pieces, but this is just a solid piece. So very beautiful design, and very functional. Now, I know they don't recommend you use this knife for like cutting food or anything. So my main use is just to open up packages, boxes, anything like that. Just simple uses. You know, cut a zip tie or something. So I'll carry this around with me all the time, and yeah, it's pretty straightforward. So I don't want to I don't want to drag this on longer than it needs to be, but very cool product. I'm sure the brass and black metal are also very cool. And so yeah, that's it. Grovemade titanium minimalist knife. So yeah, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe to my channel, turn on that bell so you can get updates when I post videos, and I'd be happy to answer any questions you might have. Just shoot them in the comment box, and thanks for watching.